love it.
Surprising.
Capable. Meant for families.
First impressions, I do like it. It's kind of elegant.
Very well made and capable of going off-road.
These are wonderful vehicles.
Very premium looking, actually. Very unique to this market.
Oh, I really like it. Upright and classy, and yeah, but modern. Good reputation for quality.
Telluride is the whole shape of it. It's got this big, bold, boxy look to it.
So in snow, in winter, in summer, to the river, to enjoy, to vacation. So I think it's a wonderful idea that this is a vehicle I was expecting a long time ago.
If there was any obstacle that the vehicle wouldn't be able to overcome.
So I definitely felt very secure and very safe, and like he mentioned this.
If you've never driven a Kia before, I highly recommend it because
They offer really, really good value and they all look great. So I'm excited to see where the brand is going to go in the future.